We are here to show you the core to floor treatment method using the Emsculpt Neo and the Emsella devices, mainly to improve the pelvic floor, which can cause incontinence, and after delivery of the baby to improve and exercise the pelvic floor. So Brigi, for you, what is your number one aim with having this treatment?
So I will be 51 soon, and in a menopause I noticed that despite I do a lot of exercise, I started to put on weight on this middle section, which is very hard to get rid of. And although I don't have any problem with incontinence yet, I would like to prevent this. So that's why I wanna use the Emsculpt and after the Emsella treatment.
So we're gonna strengthen the abs, we're gonna strengthen the
flank.
love handles, the flank,
Yes.
and the pelvic floor. So first you're gonna have an Emsculpt Neo abs treatment.
Yes.
Then you're gonna have the flank, the love handles treatment, and after that you're gonna have the Emsella treatment straight after, one after the other, because we want to preserve the heat in the area which is generated by the treatment. So it's super important to have the three treatments straight one after the other. So let's jump in. So now, as you can see, Brigi is having the Emsculpt Neo abdominal treatment, and since she had an abdominal surgery, we cannot really push the electromagnetic power for her, so she has it in a very low setting. But what I can do is I push the radio frequency high, so we're gonna create a lot of heat, so to melt fat, but I can keep the electromagnetic field low. For a patient without a surgery, we can push the electromagnetic power as well for more powerful muscle contraction and build more muscle. But in her case, we need to keep the muscle building a little bit low, and we can push the heat further. Brigi, how would you describe, what do you feel, how is the treatment?
I feel a little tapping feeling and the heat.
So straight after finishing the abs treatment, we started immediately the flank love handles treatment while the tissues are still hot. We are adding the sides of the torso, both the electromagnetic field muscle contractions and the radio frequency fat burning. And during the abdominal session and the flank session, Brigi is having 20,000 powerful muscle contractions to build the muscle. Due to her unique circumstances, we keep the muscle building low. We are just pushing the heat more for fat reduction. And this is the third part of the core to floor treatment. We are 1 hour within the treatment after the abs and the flank. Now she's having the pelvic floor Emsella treatment, very powerful electromagnetic contractions, which is equals in 24 minutes 11,000 Kegel exercises, which is impossible to complete by herself. So it's a very powerful way to improve sexual wellness or incontinence, or women in menopause, women after childbirth. So it's really a versatile treatment in itself, but especially combined with the abs and the flank, a very powerful treatment method we are having here.
And even for men, not just women?
Even for men, absolutely, yeah. Improving sexual wellness and incontinence.
Or even after prostate surgery, they suggest to help to improve the pelvic floor muscles.
Brigi, how would you describe the sensation, the feeling of the treatment?
It's a very interesting kind of vibration, pull kind of feeling, not painful at all. It's very convenient, and
so the device has two settings, two strength, and Brigi is having the lower strength. I tried myself the most powerful, the more powerful setting on 100%, when really I felt all my muscles contracting, and I had a little bit of a muscle pain like after the gym sensation. So it is a very powerful setting as well. And if I wanted to describe you how it felt, like having really strong muscle contractions inside your pelvic area, no pain on high settings, challenging lower settings, it's just like some tapping sensation.